Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to set up a second brain in Notion using a template to organize all your ideas, notes, and projects in one central hub. Start by choosing a second brain template in Notion. You can find free templates online or use Notion's template gallery. Duplicate it to your workspace so you have a ready-made structure. The template usually has key areas like inbox, projects, areas, resources, and archives. Begin by capturing everything in the inbox. All your notes, ideas, tasks, and references go here first. This keeps your brain clear and prevents missing anything important. Next, categorize notes and tasks into the proper areas. Projects are actionable tasks with deadlines. Areas are ongoing responsibilities like work or personal. Resources are knowledge you want to store, and archives hold completed or old materials. Use tags, categories, and linked databases to make everything searchable and interconnected. Set up relations and rollups. For example, link resources to projects or tasks so you can see which notes support which actions. Rollups can track deadlines, status, or progress across your projects. Use templates inside your database for recurring notes or projects. For example, a meeting notes template pre-fills the agenda, attendees, and action items, so you save time and maintain consistency. Customize your dashboard with views and filters. Create a Kanban view for projects, a table view for tasks, a gallery view for ideas, and a calendar view to track deadlines or content. Add quick filters for priorities or categories to make your second brain navigable. Finally, review and maintain your second brain weekly. Move items from inbox to projects or areas, archive completed notes, and update statuses. Over time, this system becomes a true extension of your mind, keeping you organized and productive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more Notion productivity tutorials.